If you want to automatically sync Google Drive with your computer so your files stay backed up and accessible even when you are offline, here is a simple guide. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Drive Download. Look for the official Google page that says Download Google Drive. Then select Download Drive for desktop. Once the file finishes downloading, open the file location and double-click the installer to begin setup. Grant any permissions needed, and when the installation window appears, choose whether you want shortcuts for Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, then click Install. After installation, launch Google Drive and sign in using your Google account. Once signed in, Google Drive will open on your screen. To set up AutoSync, choose the folders on your computer that you want to sync, such as Documents folder. You can select individual folders or sync everything, or even add custom folders. Click Next, then continue through the setup prompts. You'll also see the option to make certain files available offline, so they are always accessible. Once confirmed, Google Drive will begin syncing automatically and you can view your sync activity anytime. That's all you need to set up Google Drive AutoSync on your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.